The Power of Apostrophes. Unleashing English Punctuation. Hello learners. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today we are going to dive deep into a small, but mighty punctuation mark, the apostrophe. This little symbol can make a big difference in your writing. So let's dive in and explore how to use it correctly. The apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in English language. It has two primary functions. 1. Show possession. It's used to show that something belongs to someone or something. 2. Indicate omissions. It's used to indicate that letters or numbers have been omitted from a word, often in contractions or abbreviations. When you want to show that something belongs to someone or something, you use an apostrophe. Here's how it works. 1. Singular nouns. If the noun is singular, or if it's a plural noun that doesn't end in s, just add s at the end. For example, the cat's toy, one cat, children's books, more than one child. 2. Plural nouns. If the noun is plural and ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. For example, the cat's toys, more than one cat, the Joneses' house, more than one person named Jones. Apostrophes are also used to show that something is missing, often in contractions. For example, 1. Contractions. In words like don't, can't, isn't, the apostrophe shows that a letter has been omitted. Do not, cannot, is not. 2. Abbreviations. Sometimes, we also use apostrophes in abbreviations, like 90s to represent 1990s, showing that 19 is missing. Despite its size, the apostrophe is one of the most misused punctuation marks. Here are some common mistakes. 1. Its versus its. Its is a contraction of it is or it has. Its is a possessive pronoun. So, it's raining but the dog wagged its tail. 2. Apostrophes in plurals. Apostrophes should not be used to make nouns plural. It's dogs not dogs, unless it's showing possession like the dog's bone. That's it for our session on apostrophes. With proper understanding and practice, you'll soon master the use of this small, but mighty punctuation mark. Remember, every detail matters when it comes to perfecting your English language skills. Keep learning and keep practicing. See you in our next video. Happy learning!